Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy pineapple fried rice. Let's look at the ingredients first. Refer to the descriptions for the complete list of ingredients. We have about 2 bowls of cooked white rice. So rice should be freshly cooked or at least heat up in the microwave. Can never be cold. I'm using fresh pineapple pieces here and they should always be drained. Diced barbecue pork, corn, green onion, 2 eggs, soy sauce, Maggi sauce, and some salt. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and stir fry the egg under low heat. When eggs are half cooked, pour in the rice and stir fry under low heat. Loosen rice gently, continuing to stir fry. Add barbecue pork and continue to stir fry until fragrant. Add corn, soy sauce, Maggi sauce, and salt, and continue to stir fry. Turn up the heat now and add pineapple pieces and green onions. Stir fry for a few seconds under high heat. The pineapple fried rice is now ready and can be served inside a pineapple shell. Enjoy!